friends, would you like to know the difference between big and small? Okay then. Look at these bags. They are of different sizes. When we compare objects based on the size, we get big and small. Look at these fruits. This is a big watermelon fruit while this is a small apple fruit. Look at these animals. This is a big elephant and this is a small rat. Look at these fishes. This is a big shark fish and this is a small goldfish. Look at this. This is a big bus. And this is a small bike. Now can you tell me which animal is big and which animal is small? That's right. The giraffe is big and the squirrel is small. Object can also be compared using the long and short. We will learn about this when we meet next. Till then, bye.